Today we will find missing word and we have to produce sound. P, pen. Pen के साथ क्या लगेगा? P, P. Pen. Very good. Excellent. You can do it. Okay, now next. Next is den. Den. Which word you will pick up? D or T? D, D, D. Den. Very good. You can do it. Excellent. Great job. What is next? Ten. Ten. N. E-N. N. N. Ten. Very good. Great job. You can do it. Now what is next? Den. D. N. E-N. N. Den. Now what is next? Hen. Which word you will pick up? Hen. N. Hen. What is next? Men. M sound is N. N. Men. What is next? Pen. Pen. Very good. P. N. Very well done. What is next? Very good. Den. Den. Very good. Den. D-N. What is next? Ten. T-N. Ten. T sound is T and E-N. N. Very well done. You can do it. What is next? Bed. E-D. Now we start ed. B. Bed. B-Ed. E-D. Ed. Bed. Very good. And next word is fed. Which word will go up? Fed. Ed. Very good. Well done. Great job. Now it's red. Id. Red. Our sound is very good. Red. Very well done. You can do it. Great job. Now bed. Ed. B. Which word will come? B. Very good. B. Ed. E-D. Ed. Very well done. Now E-D is fed. F sound is fed. Ed. Fed. Very good. You can do it. Great job. Now wed. W sound is v. E-D sound is ed. V. Wed. Very good. Well done. Great job. Excellent. You can do it. Clap for everyone. Okay, next is beg. B. E-G sound is egg. And B sound is b. Beg. Very good. Now we will find next word. Leg. What will we go up? कौन सा वर्ड ऊपर जाएगा? Egg. E-G. Egg. Leg. Oh, keg. कौन सा वर्ड ऊपर जाएगा? K sound is keg. Very good. Well done. Great job. Okay, अब next क्या है? Bet. Bet के साथ कौन सा वर्ड जाएगा? Bet. Very good. Excellent. Great job. Okay, et. E-T. Et. Next word is get. G. Et. Get. Very good. Excellent. Great job. Next is jet. J sound is j. Et sound is et. J. Et. Very good. Well done. You can do it. Excellent. Next is, now what will be go up? Let. Et. 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 Let. Very good. Now next one is net. नेट के साथ क्या ऊपर जाएगा? एट. नेट. एट. नाउ मेट. मेट के साथ कौन सा साउंड ऊपर जाएगा? कौन सा वर्ड ऊपर जाएगा? कौन बताएगा? वेरी गुड. एट. मेट. वेरी गुड. ग्रेट जॉब. नाउ पेट. पेट में कौन सा वर्ड ऊपर जाएगा? फ फ फ फ फ. पेट. फ. एट. Very good. Et sound is et. Very good. Now next is, you can do it. Very good. Great job. Very good. Wet. Wet. Et. Et. Very good. Excellent. Great job. Next one is set. S sound is et. Very good. Set. Excellent. Good job. Pet, wet and set. We made it. Very good. Now next one is with et. Et. Now we will make wet. Wet. What will be go up? Wet. Et. Very good. Excellent. Great job. Now bet. बेट के साथ कौन सा वर्ड ऊपर जाएगा? ब ब ब ब. बेट. ब. एट. वेरी गुड. नाउ येट. वाई साउंड इज et. Et. Very good. Now will go up and it will be become yet. Very good.